Welcome back to Zimist Coded. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to create a brand new Microsoft account on your PC, step by step, in 2026. So if you want to access services like OneDrive, Outlook, Microsoft Office, and more, then this is exactly what you need. All right, let's take it slow and get started. First, open your web browser. You can use Chrome, Edge, or any browser of your choice. Now in the address bar, type outlook.live.com and press Enter. Once the page loads, look carefully on the screen. You'll see the option that says Create Free Account. Go ahead and click on that. Now this is where you begin creating your email address. You can choose a brand new email name, something unique that hasn't been taken yet. Type your preferred email name right here. Then you'll notice something important. You need to choose between @outlook.com and @hotmail.com. For this tutorial, I'll go with outlook.com. After that, click on Next to continue. Now, let's move on to security. Here, you need to create a strong password. Take your time with this. Make it something you can remember, but also something that's hard for others to guess. Make sure it has at least 8 characters, including uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Once you're done, click on Next. Now we move to personalization. On this page, select your country, then choose your month of birth, select your day, and finally enter your year of birth. Take it one step at a time, then click on Next to continue. All right, now enter your first name and your last name, and click Next. At this point, Microsoft will need to confirm that you're not a robot. You may see a simple verification like pressing and holding a button. Just follow the instructions on your screen. Once that's done, great, you're almost there. Now, you might see an option to save your passkey. If this is your personal computer, you can go ahead and click Continue. But if you're using someone else's PC, it's safer to click Cancel. Next, you may see a pop-up asking to use your device to sign in. I'll click OK, and then I'll enter my Windows PIN, click OK. And just like that, your Microsoft account has been successfully created. Simple, clean, and done. Now you can start using services like OneDrive, Outlook Email, and Microsoft Office without any stress. Go ahead and click OK. From here, let's sign in to Outlook. You can manually enter your new email and click Next. But if your account already appears on the list, you can simply click on it and you'll be logged in instantly. And that's it. Very easy and very quick. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe to Zimist Coded for more simple and practical tech tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.